Welcome to Blessedluv, where you will learn all you need to know about raw hair and lace wigs. I am so happy you are here. This is episode 1 of our lace closure series, starting with what is a 4x4 closure? A 4x4 closure is typically made of lace materials and measures 4 inches by 4 inches in size. The 4x4 refers to dimensions of the lace closure. Lace closures are used to create a natural looking hairline and provide coverage for the top or crown area of your head. This will allow you to part your lace closure 4 inches back and 4 inches wide. You can even create a side parting with a lace closure. Hair strands are individually hand knotted onto the lace, allowing for versatility in styling and parting the hair in different ways. Many closures now come pre-plucked, but you can also pluck your hairline more if you desire. We are strongly against this because this will cause your wig to shed if not done properly. You can watch the video I made for you. I will link it below in the description box. This gives you an in-depth explanation as to why we do not support this type of hair customization. Your closure can be sewn into your head or made into a wig using wig cap, along with your hair extensions. Lace closures are commonly used in conjunction with hair weaves or extensions to give you the appearance of a seamless and realistic hairline. Subscribe to our channel if you've not already done so. We are the only channel that is fully dedicated to teaching you all about raw hair and lace wigs. By subscribing, you will also gain access to exclusive content and expert tips that will help you take your hair business to the next level. The lace material used in a 4x4 lace closure is delicate and transparent, resembling the scalp when properly installed. The sides and back of your closure are always secured by sewing down the seams using a needle and thread. The front of your closure can be secured in different ways. The first way is with a lace glue, the second with the lace tape, the third with a holding spray. The fourth way, which is our favorite, is to wear your wig glueless. This is the same wig I was wearing in the beginning of this video. It's a 4x4 lace closure wig. Write in the comments below what you are struggling with when you're wearing your wig or your raw hair, and I might just make a video for you.